Sudado de Pollo. It is more than just a chicken stew. It's a journey into the heart of Colombia, a dish that carries warmth, tradition, and resilience in every spoonful. In this episode, we'll uncover its deep rooted origins and create a meal that's as rich in culture as it is in flavor. The story of Sudado de Pollo is as layered as its flavors. Born during Colombia's colonial era, this dish evolved through the blend of cultures. The indigenous people like the Muisca and Quimbeya created a hearty meal using the native crops of Andes. When the Spanish arrived in the 16th century, they brought new cooking methods, braising and stewing, along with the ingredients such as onions, garlic, and cilantro, which deepened the flavor. The dish even evolved further with the arrival of Africans were brought to Colombia by Spanish colonists, who introduced bold spices like cumin and anaro, giving Sudado de Pollo its vibrant and unforgettable taste. Sudado de Pollo is a testament to the culinary diversity of Colombia, showcasing the country's ability to create delicious and nourishing dishes from simple ingredients. I'm here to demonstrate how to cook Sudado de Pollo. To begin, dice the onions, tomatoes, and garlic. Season the chicken with salt. Heat some oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the chicken and cook until golden on the outside and fully cooked inside. Once done, set it aside. In the same skillet, add the diced onions, garlic, and tomatoes. Stir and let them soften, creating a rich and flavorful base. Add tomato juice, Sazon seasoning, cumin, and adobo powder to the skillet. Mix well to evenly distribute the flavors. Return the chicken to the skillet, add potatoes, and pour in a splash of water. For the final step, add bay leaf and cook for another 10 minutes. And let it simmer on the low heat for 20 minutes, allowing the flavor to melt beautifully. The aroma at this stage is subtle yet inviting. Serve the Sudado de Pollo hot, paired with white rice or yellow rice. It's a dish that's simple to prepare yet deeply satisfying. And there you have it, Sudado de Pollo. Tender, flavorful chicken in a rich, comforting stew. A dish that carries the heart of Colombia in every bite. Simple and soulful. Now it's your turn to try this timeless recipe. Share your creations with me on Instagram. I would love to see how you bring these Colombian flavors to life. Join me next time as we discover more delicious food around the world. Until then, happy cooking! And stay tuned for next week when we explore yet another dish with its own incredible story. Stay tuned and you don't want to miss it.